I noticed that some of the machinery in the factory is not fenced. Is that safe? No, it's not safe. As per Section 21, all moving parts of machinery must be securely fenced by safeguards of substantial construction. What parts of machinery need to be fenced? Every moving part of a prime mover and every flywheel connected to a prime mover, every part of an electric generator, a motor or rotary converter, every part of transmission machinery, and every dangerous part of any other machinery. Why is it important to fence machinery? Fencing machinery helps prevent accidents and injuries caused by contact with moving parts. It also helps protect workers from flying debris and other hazards. What kind of safeguards should be used to fence machinery? Safeguards of substantial construction should be used, which are constantly maintained and kept in position while the parts of machinery are in motion or in use. Okay, I understand. What should I do if I notice any unfenced machinery in the factory? You should report it to the safety officer or your supervisor immediately. It's important to ensure that all machinery is properly fenced to prevent accidents and injuries.